The word responsibility is derived from words meaning pledge, obligation, accountable, and today it generally refers to reliability and trustworthiness. When you avoid responsibility and instead pass it off onto others, you grant them power over you and become discouraged with an external locus of control, unable to influence the direction of your own life. And yet, when you do accept responsibility, you enhance your capacity to act independently and, empowered with an internal locus of control, are granted with the authority to dictate the direction of your life. The question becomes, how are you accepting responsibility in your life?